In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Uber support when you can't sign in to your account. If you're locked out of your Uber account and need help getting back in, this process is a simple way to reach support directly through the official help page. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, and before you begin, it's a good idea to have your registration document or a valid ID ready, since you'll need to upload it at the end of the request. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device and going to help.uber.com. This is Uber's official support website, where you can find account recovery and sign-in assistance options. Once the page loads, look for the section called Account and Payment Options and click on it. This category includes several account-related support topics, so it's the right place to begin if you're having trouble accessing your account. After that, find and select the option that says I can't sign in to my account. This will take you to the support form specifically designed for account access problems. Uber uses this form to understand what kind of issue you're dealing with, so it's important to be clear and accurate in the next step. You'll now see a dynamic text box where you can describe your locking scenario. In this field, explain exactly what happened. For example, mention whether your account was locked after too many login attempts, whether you're not receiving a verification code, or whether the app is rejecting your login details. Keep your message short, specific, and easy to understand. The more clearly you describe the issue, the easier it will be for support to review your case and guide you toward a solution. Once your explanation is complete, upload a photo of your registration document or your ID. Make sure the image is clear, well lit, and easy to read. Avoid blurry photos, cut off edges, or glare, since unclear documents can slow down the review process. If you're using an ID, double check that all necessary details are visible before attaching the file. When everything looks correct, click Submit to send your request to Uber support. After that, all you need to do is wait for their response. Keep an eye on the contact method connected to your account in case they reach out with follow-up instructions. That's it. You've successfully submitted an account access support request through Uber's help site.